Let's talk about the latest launched MEIZU smartphone, MEIZU 21. Now let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED display, 6.55-inch Full HD Plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels, 19.5:9 aspect ratio, 89.3% screen-to-body ratio, approximately 393 ppi pixel density, 1800 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection, HDR10+ support. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 200 megapixel OIS Samsung S5KHP3 main camera, along with 13 megapixel Samsung S5K3 L6 ultra-wide-angle camera, and with 5 megapixel Samsung S5K5E9 depth camera. For selfies it has 32 megapixel Samsung S5KJD1 front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Flyme 10.5 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 3.3 GHz single-core Cortex-X4, plus 3 GHz dual-core Cortex-A720, plus 3.2 GHz tri-core Cortex-A720, plus 2.3 GHz dual-core Cortex-A520. Powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, paired with Adreno 750 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB, 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256 GB, 512 GB of UFS 4.0 on board. Storage: no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 156.7 by 75.3 by 7.9 mm, and it weighs around 198 grams. The color options: black, purple, green, white colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 4800 mAh battery, with 80-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With face unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM, 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS L1 plus L5, USB Type-C audio jack, with stereo speakers, and a USB Type-C charging port, IP54 dust and splash resistant, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The MEIZU 21 pricing starts at 3,399 Chinese yuan, around $599 and 168,999 Pakistani rupees for the 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant, while the 3,699 Chinese yuan, around $699 and 196,999 Pakistani rupees for the 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant, while the 3,999 Chinese yuan, around $799 and 224,999 Pakistani rupees for the 12 GB plus 512 GB storage variant. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this MEIZU 21 smartphone? Let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.